Hello!
Hello, teacher.
3B Habit Speaking Test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Justin.
Justin, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, Justin, let's proceed now, okay? Lily is at the garden. Alright, what are they? You say? They are?
They are flowers.
They are flowers. Okay, this is a red flower, Justin. Now, can you show me the orange flower? Orange flower. Where is the orange flower? Okay, very good. Now, what color is the flower? This is?
This is a pink flower.
What is the color of this?
Is a white flower.
Okay, very good, Justin. You're so good. Now, what color do you like? I like?
I like yellow flower.
Oh, you like yellow. Now let's proceed for this one, alright? Now, where is the head? Stand up, Justin, and point. Where is the head? The head. Okay, very good. How many heads do you have, Justin? How many? I have
one
one head. Okay. Can you show me where are your eyes? Where's your eyes? Okay, very good. Now, what is this?
mouth.
This is a...
This is a mouth.
Okay, so now touch your shoulders. Touch your shoulder. Okay, very good. Now, how many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
You have 10 fingers, and what is this? This is?
This is a ear.
This is an ear. Now, let's proceed for this one, Justin. Alright. Can you give me a one word only that starts with letter E? Letter E?
Letter E. Letter E is the elephant.
Elephant. Okay, so now what animal is this? This is?
Is
A?
a fish.
This is a fish. Okay, so now which animal can swim? Is it the elephant or the fish?
Fish.
The fish. Okay, now do you like eggs, Justin? Yes or no? Yes?
I do.
Yes, I do. Now, the form starts with letter F or letter A? Letter?
Letter F.
Okay, so that's all for today, Justin. Goodbye and thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.